Went upstream, but then it's actually deceiving because it's not a complete up. It's actually, I can't get him right now. He's probably back on his bike.
Talking about throttle. The throttle here doesn't work. It should work right now.
No, okay.
We have to.
Well, I'll wait for Brian.
I know it's a throttle. I think it might just be.
And then I'll work on, because we can take.
Well, yeah, I'll stay here with you, Jan.
All right.
I don't want to go ahead.
We're
I said
only
he'd wait
two.
5 minutes. I'm just
It's
going
only
to
5 minutes
Well,
out.
he said, let me see. When he talked to me, he said he was 15 minutes, but that was when he talked to me. Let me see what time he called me.
Just come to this. That's all it is.
This is battery in it? Is it not working, Lenny?
Throttle system work. Supposed to have a throttle here.
Oh.
It's not working.
I think it's to the right. Here. Got it? Oh.
Yeah, I got 20 miles an hour.
Wow.
My wife was like, I like this. I bet you do.
What are you doing there, Gene?
Which one of these things cost like $2,000 or something?
This one was 3,000.
Huh?
This one was 3,000.
$3,000 for a bicycle?
Yeah.
Oh my God! It's what did you put stickers on it?
No, it's a Ferrari.
That's,
puts
oh,
Ferrari
that's 'cause
stickers on
Ferrari. Oh yeah, you probably paid for the stickers. It's an extra $1,000 for the stickers.
Claire, you didn't get you just put the stickers on it.
It's for the Ferrari bike.
It's not a Ferrari bike. You just put stickers on it and say, boy.
Is there a helmet law around here?
I don't know.
needs a helmet.
The kids are going to be back soon. They have 2 helmets.
Lenny doesn't need a helmet. Yeah, Mike never wears it. What?
Some places have helmet laws. I don't know.
I don't think there's helmet laws here because people are
Oh,
riding
the kids have helmets, right?
Yeah, they're on their way back. They're not back yet. Are we waiting for them?
Right.
Yeah.
Let's get on the road, Michelle, and take a picture.
The
Right there.
kids,
And then Zoe.
Don't fall now.
I'm trying not to glare.
Oh, then what do you want me to do with this
You
camera?
want me to run behind you?
Well, I'm going to go straight on this road just a little bit.
It's like riding a bike. Now we're just, Michelle's just taking a test run. We're not heading out, Michelle's just... No, waiting for the girls to come back. I'm just following you so I can videotape you. How was it?
okay.
That's good.
It was a little tight on the rotation, but I think it'll loosen up as I go.
Yeah. Just don't make any sharp turns.
I did it. No sharp turns now. Can you film me coming towards you so I can send it to the kid?
Yeah. Wait, so I'll do it on my phone. I'll do it on my iPhone.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go around you and I'm just going to keep going.
Wait.
Tell me when.
All set.
How much ahead were you? Good question.
Jenna, a wheelie? Turn on by yourself? Oh, how do you do that?
I'm wobbling. I'm telling you.
Okay.
You hold the up and down at the same time.
Is it just up and down at the same time?
Same time. Hold them in,
Yeah.
and it'll start flashing and then let go. So press it up and down at the same time. Is it flashing?
But they're still flashing.
Okay, you have to hold them in.
Yeah, they were still, okay.
So hold them in. Are they flashing?
Now they're flashing.
Let go. Press the button in the center.
Okay,
You're welcome.
thank you.
I need a picture of you, Lenny.
No. No. No, we're not.
Yes, you are. You're brothers. Maybe not
What,
twins.
you
You're
have
brothers.
you have a bike?
I'm waiting for Zoe now. We have to
Oh.
wait. Jean doesn't like her bike. She says it's very wobbly, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for Zoe and Brian. Were Emma's shot ahead.
You don't have an Allen wrench, do you?
I should know our way back.
Do you have an Allen wrench? Do you have an Allen wrench?
Yes.
Emma, let me try that bike. Let me see if I can handle it.
Nick is looking for an Allen wrench.
Who's looking for one?
Nick.
You need an Allen wrench?
Yeah, an Allen wrench for that bike to lower that seat.
Do we need the seat lowered?
If it's big enough. Let's see.
What?
You need an Allen wrench?
Yes. You have an Allen wrench?
Maybe.
The seat's too high. There, that looks like a motorcycle.
Basically,
I'm gonna stay far away from you. Don't take it personally. Seat's way too high.
well, it's like a hexagon.
Hey. Yeah.
That's me.
Got it. What Blair had one in his toolbox on his bike. He got a toolbox on his bike. He did it.
Yeah, good.
Thanks, Mark.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, Blair.
I found the right thing down there too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it was an
Well, the
actual
bikes
bit.
coming in might need adjustment too, because I need the forest down as it can go too. I don't.
Yeah, that's the one that would have fit. I had one that would have worked.
Oh,
So.
perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got it double covered now.
Rock and roll.
Oh, that feels
Well,
better.
I'll check these other bikes out. So that's okay now?
Father, we'll keep going now.
Can you send me that video while we're waiting? I'm gonna send it to the kids.
Can you hear this? Can you hear this? Can you hear that?
Oh, can I hear that now? I can.
How about this? Yeah. How many rings?
We have this.
You got your phone on?
Yeah.
See, I'm
I have
reminded.
rear view mirrors.
I got one right here.
I thought you were gonna pull out an air horn.
I know.
I brought rear view mirror. Well, I need one. Does anyone need a rear view mirror?
I got one right here.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, Mike was smart. Blair, you got this? You get it?
I got it.
Great, thanks, Blair.
Mirror doesn't even have a mirror.
Not as bad.
There was your rear view mirror on the left. I had
Better
one.
one.
What's wrong with your bike? Paula, what's wrong with the bike?
It didn't have brakes or it didn't have gears.
Does it have brakes?
They
Doesn't
had to
even
go backwards to
reverse
brake.
pedal braking versus.
coaster brake?
I didn't want to pedal brake.
So, Blair, do you still have your Mercedes?
My brain is my
Yeah.
brain. This is how I brake on bikes.
Let me,
Let me-
It didn't have a handbrake.
No, we're not on the road, we're on the trail.
Always on the right side of the road. So you're all right. So the rear view mirror should be on the left, but you should be always on the right side of the road. And you'll see cars. Put the rear view mirror on the left.
What?
Like look at it on the right side of the road.
Someone was coming, but they did not.
I didn't see them. Denise said she saw them, but they turned.
I'm not.
If we know which way they came, then we can switch bikes as we pass them.
But we don't.
Mother, let me try the lights little bike. Hold on.
I can't stand on my feet that long. I'm just gonna go around. Where's the path? Do we have to cross that big road?
I don't know. Because we're going on the river.
Jess said it was down this way.
Oh my god, look at how that seats.
Emma, you're so smart.
Is that one better, Janice?
Try it. Take this then. We're waiting for you. Did you
Can I-
pass
can
us
I
by
try this?
already? Emma's here, so how far? We're waiting for you. All right. How much farther do you think?
Because we know we need the bikes.
Oh, awesome. So Zoe can. We're gonna use Zoe's bike, and you can come with us. I'm not sure which direction we're going in. If you.
I lowered the seat
No,
before,
we-
like I said.
No, we're waiting for you. We're waiting for you. We're at the house. Yeah, everybody's waiting. That's okay.
We're outside in the street.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how low you are.
Brian's coming, so we'll have his bike. We'll have Zoe's bike.
Let's say try this.
Okay. And we'll have. Who else needs a bike? Brian's gonna finish off with us. I think this